This is Finance Disrupted. Look closer at trends transforming the financial services industry. Scottish firm Scottex is preparing to launch a stock exchange for Scotland by the end of 2017. Built on a permissioned distributed ledger technology, Scottex will radically improve the clearance and cost of trading. To get a sense of the monumental change in user experience, think of the existing trade life cycle. A common investor raises a position with a broker who links to the stock exchange, which links to a clearer, then custodian, followed by depository, registrar, and finally the company. Under the Scottex model, the exchange links directly to the company. The underlying technology will allow trades to clear near instantly, with Scottex promising to clear funds into counterparty accounts within 15 minutes of trade execution. Scottex aims to charge a low flat-end user fees to set up a node on its network, instead of charging on a per-transaction basis, so your per-trade cost decreases as your volumes increase. Since all the participants have cryptographic access to all trades, post-trade affirmations and central clearing during the settlement cycle become redundant. With automated and code-based processes, errors, disputes, and reconciliation issues will be significantly minimized, if not statistically eliminated. Scottex has some specific ambitions. It wants to be the primary exchange for Scottish companies. However, listing on a stock exchange is more than anything else a statement of intent for a company. Take the example of Nasdaq, the leading exchange for software and internet companies. Nasdaq has technological innovation in its DNA. It was the world's first electronic stock market and the first exchange to go online. Naturally, technology and internet-based companies identify closely with Nasdaq. Scottex has the potential to be that beacon and signal of intent for the next generation of internet companies. This will be an interesting space to watch. London startup Soldo has launched an innovative multi-user spending account currently targeted at families and household spending. Soldo is like a prepaid cash card which you can top up using your debit card or bank account. But that's where the similarities end. Soldo allows the account holder to define a network of spenders. Each member of the network receives a digital wallet and a physical debit card to spend the prepaid cash loaded onto the Soldo account. Importantly, the main Soldo account holder retains control over how the cash is spent. A typical use case would allow children to spend their monthly allowance using Soldo, with the parents having the ability to set daily or weekly spending limits. Or imagine a childcare worker authorized to spend but only during their working hours and only up to a certain threshold. Overall, this would help families to be more informed when deciding and controlling budgets. Now, while Soldo is currently targeting its product to families, the potential use cases for business and enterprise customers are also evident. Potential plays could include shared control over business checking accounts for partners in a firm or a team expense account with predefined limits on members. Interestingly, Soldo is providing a subscription-based service at £2 a month. This is in stark contrast to the clutch of fintech startups, which are currently based on a free services model. Banking services provided by these startups have significant costs for services like transactions, card top-ups, and cash withdrawals. While banks can charge for these services and also have a deposit base at scale to leverage for revenues, popular fintech startups are bleeding money. In my view, at £2 a month, Soldo has a comfortable price point for the convenience it provides. The challenge would be to evolve from a one-trick pony to providing a suite of services, as it will not be long before there are competitors providing either similar products or undercutting the subscription model. If you found this video informative, hit the like button. If you want to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Start conversations by sharing this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below on LinkedIn or on Twitter. Remember, technology does not respect tradition, it only respects innovation. Thanks for watching.